slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome. What a day. Welcome, everybody. What's up? Good evening, everybody. Vanessa is in the house. Drift, Wyatt, Keith Matthews, Linda, and Q. Get in there. Double L's, Corp Trades, True. What's up, Bryce, Brave Day, Jeffrey, Dirtbags, Dave Tamkin. What a day, the Gary, Rocky Mountain Trades, Jaw W, Jaw. What's up, Barbie's in the house, Craig Gonzalez. So many people. Bear Trader, there he is. D Hall, get in there. Okay, there it is. Tris Trading, Deuce Leverage, Chicken Trader, Apple. All right, Deuce Leverage. So many great people here. Nothing special. What's going on? G. Peralta, son of Wall Street. All right, here's somebody new. Kerr 6. Okay, Panos, another one. Mostaf, what's up? Willie, Romel, he's here. Slightly green. Sergey, Alexis. There you go. Get in there. All right. What a short up here. All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Hope everybody had a great day here today. Nice, great short here above the 170 here. 178. Good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. G. Garcia, what's up? Frank, what's going on, Frank? All right. What's this? Day Robolson, what's up? Miss K is here. What's going on? All right. So, okay, looking forward to being here. Everybody had a great day. Okay. All right. Yes, sir. FF, what's going on? FF, JB. Okay. Let's go. Smash the likes. NASDAQ just dropped 20 on that. All right. Gold's very slow here. Gold's got to be shorted. 15s and 30s and 60s all in sell mode here. Zeph's trade. Everybody, welcome. Kilo White. Adam, what's going on? Sam, yo. What's up, Sam, yo? Morvad. Hello, Morvad from Italy. Hello. Farmer, what's going on? And they're off at Belmont. All right. If we get a push up here on the NASDAQ to the 85, 90 to 20, I would short them. NASDAQ, S&Ps, 51 to 57, I'd short them. Look how fast they are. Gold 74.5 up to 80.5. All right, look how fast they are. Good Lord, wow, that was fast. Where's Iceman? Iceman in the house. Okay, Abdul, how are you, Abdul? All right, what a day we had today. Unbelievable. What a day. Called a great short on the close on Micron. It's down $19 after hours here. Okay, Diego, what's going on? Ravlin, okay, what's going on? Where's Pac-Man been? NASDAQ, look to cover below anywhere between the 60 and 75 range. S&Ps, anywhere between the 46 to 49 range. Look at them drop. Here. All right, gold just got caboose too. There you go. You got them? There you go. Get in there. Okay, now, another thing I want to teach you that I didn't say to you today. If you're going to trade an Asia session, okay, in my personal opinion, again, I can't tell you what to do. I would have a separate account for Asia, okay? You should not be trading, or in my opinion, Pac-Man's computer. Oh, boy. You should not, in my personal opinion, you should have separate accounts. That's how I feel. You should have separate accounts, okay? Can I have my keys for a sec? Thank you, sir. Before I lose my... I'm sorry?
Oh, yeah, I gave you the receipt.
I gave it.
Huh?
For dinner?
Yeah.
I got it.
You did? Oh, you gave it to him, I did.
Or maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm losing my mind. Okay, we'll just check. Anyway, so there goes the NASDAQ. Just dropped about 30. All right. Again, listen, if you can make anywhere between 4 to 10 handles on the S&P on the night stream, it's is that all mine?
No, those are
okay.
receipts.
And then all right, here we go. Look to short these here, 85, 88 up to 18. Okay. S&Ps, here we go. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dinner was good, Meatball Monday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody gains 5 pounds when they're with me. That is Andy Willis. How are you? It's an absolute gimme. Everybody gains 5 pounds when they're with me here. All right, yes, sir. All right. Hey, Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. Get in there. Okay. All right. Hope everybody had a good NASDAQ. You've got 10, 15, just cover. Okay, just scalp them here. The scalp master here. Bobby Trades, Neil Lackey, AD, what's going on? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. What a day. Oh my God, gold just dropped 4. Kabooshed. Where's the bear? Where's the bear on the gold? NASDAQ just dropped 15. Here you go. NASDAQ just dropped 15. Now, if you look at the NASDAQ, okay, you have what's called the sell disconnect. The 30 and 60-minute time frames are in sell mode. All right. B-Tree, what's going on? Theo, Danny Trades, Trader 007. Everybody welcome. Who's this? Kingio. Okay. Kingio. All right. If the NASDAQ gets up to the 195 to 200, up to 25.30, 225, 230, I would look to short them. All right. Again, you got the MACDs positive here. So just thinking the MACDs are positive on the 15 and the 30, but the real problem is the 60-minute MACDs are going to run into a big problem here. So let me just show you something today. Hey, J-Dubs, get in here. J-Dubs. So if you look at the QQQs today, you can see how the 60-minute time frames really ran into a roadblock here. When we pushed up into these negative MACDs right on the opening, we opened at 690, 198. They pushed up to 692, 30. We never saw it again. You can see the push up here into these negative MACDs on the 60s. Where are they going? If you look at NVIDIA, you can see the same thing here, the 30 and the 60s. You're pushing up here, right here on the opening. And where are they going? NASDAQ, just keep trading and scalping them here. So NVIDIA on the 60-minute time frame pushes up, opens 208.19. Okay. And there you go, Ravlin. Get in there, Ravlin. Okay, Asia, David. And then look at the push up here, about 60, 70 cents. Pushes up NVIDIA into these negative MACDs on the 30 and on the 60-minute time frame. I mean, good Lord, look at them drop. Broadcom, another one here. Look at Broadcom, another push up here on this. Well, let's just reverse these because I like to do it right. 60s and the 30s here. You can see, oh my God, what a short, Diego. Get in there. Get in there. Where's the bear? Lower your stops. Where's the bear? Oh my God, NASDAQ 40. Gold just dropped 10. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Anybody get that short? Put a big W here. Let's go. We buy a house. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I took the red eye last night from Vegas. Okay. I got in at 6:30 and came home, fed Henny, and right to the office. And I just took like a one low hour, not even a 40-minute nap. Okay. Let's go. NASDAQ, kaboosh, down 50. Gold down 11. S&P's down 8. Diego. If you didn't get that short, Diego, I'll be very upset with you, Diego. All right. Come on, Baba. Again, you can see these Brave Day. Let's go. Linda NQ, slightly green. Come on. We need more W's than that. All right, J-Dubs, we need more. Come on, let's go. 63, almost 64 years old, and I took the red eye. Barely slept on the plane. Who could sleep? I got to the airport at like 8, 9 o'clock. Okay, and don't forget it's 3 hours ahead. So now it's like 1 in the morning, right, or noon, midnight. And then by the time I boarded at, we took off at 10:40. Now it's 1:40 in the morning, and I didn't, I barely got 2 hours sleep on the plane, 2.5, 3 hours sleep. And I just drank a ton of water. But the side trades, Bryce, Big M, Polimoto, there you go. Mazdev, True, Mazina. All right. And looking to go back to, oh my God, NASDAQ down 60. Mikey, Jacques, get in there. Jennifer, get in there. Oh my God, gold, new lows. So basically, you saw those 15-minute time frames pushing up into those negative MACDs on the 60, right? So when the 15s were getting overbought, you have to look at the 60-minute time frame. The MACDs were negative here, okay? And that's why they got absolutely kabooshed. That was an easy one, Ravlin. Like Ravlin said, he's 4 for 4 on the shorts. You can see these negative MACDs here are going to run into a brick wall. And you can see how the 15s will get overbought. Whoever bought 195s on the NASDAQ, well, guess what? He jumped. Okay? He jumped. All right? So, again, when you look at the bigger time frames, you have to go left to right, the 60s, the 30s, and the 15s. However, any oversold conditions with positive MACDs, guess what I'm going to look to do? Buy them. Because now you got MACDs on the 15 and the 30. So if they do push down to new lows combined, it's not just the price, it's also to see if the 15s and 30s can get oversold. You look to buy them. Okay? What's going on, KO? What's up? What's up, Bobby Trades, Pro Trader, Trader Arch, Trader A7? I hope you guys sign up for the raffle tonight. Investing Bell. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jeff, I hope you got that short, Jeff. All right. I had to put your brother in the bathroom 3 times today. Killing me. But he's doing a good job. All right. Kyle D, what's going on? All right. Teapot Derby, Gold Fallon. Okay. How about Fallen? Craig Gonzalez. All right. All right. So that's the way you do it. All you need is 3 to 5, 6, 7 great trades a day. And Ryan, you get that short, Ryan? I don't know if Ryan's on, but I hope he did. A lot of stocks here getting kabooshed, but they're going to set up for great longs here. They're going to set up for great longs. I'd like to see this Micron get down between the 500 and 650. If the NASDAQ goes to where I think the NASDAQ can go, 26.5, 27,000, 50% retracement, I think you're going to get stocks like Marvel, WDC, Light, LITE. I'd be looking to buy SanDisk below 1,000 if it gets there. EWIs. These are GEV. I got my list of stocks here. We're getting ready. I mean, could it drop another 1,500 points? Sure, why not? Brings you down to like 26,600, 26,000. Remember, we came from 23,000 and changed to 31,000. That's a kaboosh. That's a kaboomin'. 8,000 points on the NASDAQ in what, 2.5 months? So where we think we're going? It's only healthy to get a retracement, right? And you get that retracement again. This is the period of time between July, August, and September. Okay, and maybe a couple weeks into July. Luke, how could you come in, Luke? NASDAQ just dropped about 80. All right, come on, Luke, get in there. Okay, all right. All right, NASDAQ's down about 90 here. Hey, Michael B. Trades. All right, the Luke, always here. All right, let's see if this NASDAQ gets down to the 20,060 to 28,060. to 28,100. May want to look to take a scalp long here. What I just got down to 98. All right, I missed it. Let's just see. Here we go. All right, let's just see. All right, here we go. Let's see if you get it. You're pushing down to new lows here, and I'm going to bring up the 60s in the 30-minute time frame. These 30-minute time frames should act as a support here with these positive MACDs here. Guide me on NASDAQ, boss man. I don't know where you were. I called a great short up here, not once but 4 times, but come on, get in there, get in there. Okay, again, you know, you have a sell disconnect, so go wide. Let's see if you want to scalp them. Look to sell 110 up to the 108 up to 20 here if you're long, and you can just scalp the longs here. All right, just rallied about 12 or 13. I think the low is what, 96 just now here, 98. Okay, just ran about 20. Here we go. Just scalp it, right? Just scalp it. Again, look to buy them again in the same range. Just scalp it in and out. There's 20. If you caught the whole 20, great. Okay, too early to go long. Okay, then don't ask me. Let's make 70K. Oh, there should be no problem. All right. All right. Apple. This stock, biggest Fugazi stock. Okay. Which do you like better? It's over. I like the one you sent me last week. Diego, send me those. All right. In the process of getting the print here for MyFundedFutures logo with SK Trading logo for the Kaboom and Kaboosh t-shirts. Looks like the bear, right? All right. Hope everybody had a great day today. Boom! There we go. Right back down. I still think you're going to get one more push up here on the NASDAQ. S&P is down 14 off the highs here. Okay. You could look to take a scalp long on the S&Ps 32 to 39. Let's see if they get one more push. Gold was a great short there. Up there at 74. It's over. I don't know. Ask everybody in our community which they like better. What do you like better? The plain "it's over" or my hand? It might be too much ink with the other one. All right. Again, we should get some type of a little bounce here. Let's see if you get one more push up here. You could sell anywhere between the 05 and 20 range again. NASDAQ short, crude and gold, bit confused. There goes the NASDAQ. Why are you short? Why? I think the NASDAQ's a buy here. Just rallied 20 again. NASDAQ short crude and gold. A little bit confused. Gold, I don't like gold. I don't like gold here. NASDAQ, again, we just got up to the 8. If the NASDAQ 23, the NASDAQ gets down to the 55, 955, no, even 55 to 95. I think they're a buy here. Oh, my God. All right, if you're long the NASDAQ, that's two little quick, nice little longs, whether you got 5 or 10 or 15 or 20. Here's 30 on the NASDAQ. Let's cancel that. Again, I think the same range should hold here, 60 to 100 if they do. Bear flag on the gold with the ADX rising, so gold's going to get kabooshed, and there it goes. Just drop 4. Okay, gold just dropped 4. All right? Okay. So, again, like I said, if you look at stocks like Micron on the daily, let me just show you. These are monster. These are monster bear flags here. I mean, the low here, 804, kaboom, to 982. These are monster bear flags. Okay, let's look at the weeklies here. The week, this is where I can see this gap getting filled right here, 753, and oh my God, if this could be the low right here on the Nasdaq, right here. This could be the low if Micron gets down to 537, and that would mean SanDisk would get down, and I think you back up the truck. So right here, 1204, and then I think you can get down to the on right here, the 993. 856 to 993 on SanDisk. What's this number here? No, that's not it. This one right here. 863. That's 400 points. And 719. So between 719 and what is this? And 863. 719 and 863 is where I think Nasdaq, where I think SanDisk is going. And then I say you back up the truck, Gus, and then you look to buy SNXXs. I think you forget you buy them. You forget you even have them. Okay? Because then that means that they're going to get down probably, if I'm not mistaken, let me see my work. Yeah, get down to $8. No, actually, you can go lower right here. Let me see, somewhere right around here, between 6 and 7, 6 and 8 would be a good place to start. I'd be looking to buy the SNXSs. Okay. Hello, sir. I have automated your indicator for crypto buying pullback on long and short trades on 1 hour time frame. Plus 7% in the last 3 days, completely hands free. Thank you, sir. Okay. All right. Well, I don't know if you're really allowed to do that, but we'll have Ryan talk to you. Okay. All right. Okay. Dram. Let's see here. Let's see, Dram. Okay, let me see. Dram, let me see what that would mean for Dram. Let's see, Dram, let me just, I think, let's go SOXLs first. SOXLs, I'm thinking, would be 95 and then 70. So right here, between SOXLs would be 77 to 93, and then DRAM probably be in the high 30s. Let's see here. 41. Yeah, you're talking 41 right here. 38 to 41 range. 38 to 41. Okay. Okay. Well, you know, there's a way there's a way to trade the market. You know, there's a way to trade the market. There's a way to trade the market in all types of volatility. You go wide. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get again one more push down. We go 28,060 to 28,100. Hit the like buttons. Let's go. Come on. We got to get 700, 800, 900 people here every night. Come on. This is a joke. Who would call that short like that? NASDAQ just dropped about 100 off the highs. Come on. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Okay. Hey, Stephen. All right, here we go, the NASDAQ. All right. Let's see if they're going to... New lows here on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we get one more push up here. Again, if you're going into a sell disconnect, so you want to be able to scalp it here. You can sell anywhere between the 90, 95 up to 0510 if it gets up there. All right, gold just got cabooshed again on that bear flag, just dropped about 3. Yes, sir. I like that it's over. Exactly. Yep. Let's see if we get some type of a bounce here. Gold's making new lows here for the Asia session. Same thing with the NASDAQ. S&Ps. S&Ps seem to be really stronger of the two here, right? Okay. Anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Mavida Dolce, what's going on? Here we go. Let's see if we get one more push up here on the NASDAQ. All right. All right, let's see what this got. All right, here's the link. You guys should sign up for the link. You go to MyFundedFutures right there. You go to MyFundedFutures TV. You sign up for the link for the 5-day for the giveaway. Okay. All right. All right, let's see if we get one more big push up here on the NASDAQ. We're about 41 points away from the 10 bar. Should get another push up here. Kospi's down 7%. Why do you think one more push up on NASDAQ? Because I just think we're going to get one more push up into the negative MACDs. And I think they're going to be a short again. NASDAQ's down 100 since we started here. Let's see where the EWYs are trading. 59. So try to buy these a couple below 54. Let's see where I think this is going here. Daily. What a bear flag. It's a little bit 54. Let's see what the weekly says here on these things. All right, I think if they can get down to the 120, where is this? Right here, 121, 122. That's a big drop. That'll definitely bring the NASDAQ to my level, 26.5, 27,000. That's 30 points. And then I think you're back up the truck on these. I mean, you got really good support here. 110. Look, it's 105, 110. Yep. That's what I think right there. But yes, sir. All right. That's why I said look to kick out the NASDAQ here if it gets up there. But we're making new lows here. We're making new lows here. Look my pad and everything. All right. I'd like to see one more push up. Just ran here. You can scale out anywhere from 85 up to even if you got a push up here. 85 up to even. Yep. My gold just ran a little bit, not much. Okay. Let's see if we get one more push up here.
I'm waving to my wife.
Bye-bye. Look at the NASDAQ. Go. I'd be kicking out longs. Got it?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Good job, David. I just pulled you out of the bathroom. That's it. That's a good job. There goes the NASDAQ. Diego, I'll be out of 40. There you go. 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 35 up. 40 up. Boom. Kaboom. 40 up. NASDAQ. S&P's up 5. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now you want to try to get the short on the next bounce, but if we got to wait.
Kristen says hi. My wife is watching.
What's her name?
Kristen.
C, with a C or a T?
K. Kristen.
Oh, I'm deaf in this year.
Kristen.
Oh, Kristen. Everybody, hello, Kristen. How are you? He's in good hands. He's going to gain 5 pounds by the time he heads home on Saturday. So he's going to be blimpo. All right. NASDAQ. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ just dropped 20. All right. All right. NBH. Oh, my God. They just got kabooshed. Oh, all right. Oh, my God. It just dropped 40 up, 40 down. Woo. If they get down to the 25 to 65 range, I would take a long. All right. Bonos. You caught the short. Good job, Rocky Mountain Trades. All right, here we go. Yes, sir. All right. Damn, down. There we go. This got cabooshed here. All right. NASDAQ, S&Ps, you can look to take along here, 29 to 35. If they get down there. Let's see. I was actually looking to see if they get short. What the 1 minute say here? ES1's 28. Probably. What the 1 minute bear flag? Oh my God! Should leave the 1 minute up. All right. Hope everybody had a great day here. All right, everybody, sign up for the Jordan's the best, even in the era when the defense was on. Absolutely, Michael Jordan's the GOAT, hands down. NASDAQ scale out along 70 up to 80, not 85, 90. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ricky Bobby, what's going on, Ricky Bobby? What's the comment? There you go. Everybody, welcome. Eric. 520. Good job, Eric, making 520. There goes the NASDAQ. You got it?
I got
S&Ps?
yes.
Scale longs above 37.5, 38 on the NASDAQ. Oh, look at the NASDAQ up 20. There you go. Ryan, you getting those? Oh, my God. Kaboom. Where's the bull? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. 45, 50 up. 60. Still going. Again, you know why? The MACDs. Turn it. I can't do it. You almost got me to do it. Leo, because again, the 30 and the 15-minute MACDs could not confirm the low. So I said, you got to buy longs on that down there. What a long. Now you can take a scalp short here, 25, 25, 30 up to 65, 70. You could scalp it short. Oh, my God. What a long, Ravlin. Put a W there. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, now they're dropping. Here's another quick 10. Look at this. Put some W's up here. Let's go. Diego, get in there. S&P to short. Maybe 43 up to 48, 49. But you got to just scalp it and go wide, okay?
I did.
All right, NASDAQ, just cover NASDAQ anywhere between the 05.5 and 15.5. S&Ps, forget it, never got. Look at that W. You look at your brother. See, your brother knows that pattern.
He knows the shit.
Which one's your brother?
No cursing. That's it. You're back in the bathroom. No, that's it.
Did he say no cursing? Did he just actually come up and say
you can't say no, not at night. Yeah, this is being recorded. Come on.
I didn't know.
What do you mean didn't know? All right, okay, please, okay?
I got you.
All right, I don't want to wear an orange jumpsuit, okay? All right, it's official. You're in the bathroom the rest of the night, okay? I can't take it no more.
Oh, man.
All right, younger brother, Jeff.
Yeah.
Which one's your brother?
Jeff W.
Jeff W.
All right. Flat. Again, if they get up to the 30, 35, up to 65, 70, I'd short them. Okay. The MACD is negative on the 5, should run into a brick wall. What a long. Oh, my God. 75, 80 handles off the low. Okay. Here we go. If they drop, look to cover anywhere between the 10 and 25 range here. If they drop, let's see here. What a long. So again, why was I calling those lows or those longs? Because you can see the new low. The MACDs couldn't confirm the lows here on the 30-minute time frame, right? You see this here? Lower your stops if you're short. You see how the 30-minute MACDs couldn't confirm? Mikey Jacques, get in there, right? Look at the 15-minute time frame. You made new lows. The MACDs couldn't confirm the lows. That was easy. Easy. W plus 12. You only made 12 points on that? 61 to 35. That's 74 points. All right. Actually, more, 84 points. And now they're getting to get kabooshed. Watch. All right. Everybody have a, hey, farmer, don't short still upticks. I have no idea what that means. Okay. 12 contracts. All right. 12 for 12 on scalps. Good job, Ravlin. You're batting 1,000. Get in there. It's only 37 minutes into the game here. Brave days in profit. All right.
People gotta sleep.
If you short the NASDAQ, look to cover between the 05 and 25 if you're short. All right. All right. Wow. Wowza, wowza, wowza. On their feet for 1,000 ounces. What a long. Unbelievable. You understand those longs tonight? Well, I wouldn't short gold yet.
30's green.
I wouldn't short the gold yet.
Okay. So we got green, green, red on your little strategy.
Okay, I'm a little confused. Yesterday I was floating profits about 354, and yesterday was Sunday. My max for them was, so why is it? It should be less. I have no idea. I have no idea. No reason to short now. Okay, that's what makes a ball game. Okay. All right. And I said look to cover between the cover anyway the 10 to 15, 10 to 25 range.
Permission to speak, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So we have red. 60.
What do you what's
I'm looking at your little chart you gave me. We got red 60, green 30, green 15.
okay, so it's a buy disconnect.
Why disconnect?
Yes. Plus you had, so you have, right? So now, but the strategy really was predicated on the new lows. Oh, he said, Jeff said, put you in the bathroom the time you forgot to pick him up from school and he waited in the rain. Oh, you're finished. Dude, are you the younger brother?
I'm the oldest.
You're the oldest.
Yeah.
Jeff throwing shade.
You're the oldest?
Yeah.
Oh, forget it. I thought you were the younger one.
No.
No? You're definitely going. You may have to stay in the bathroom for the whole week after what Jeff
Jeff's
just
in the
put.
Discord. Okay, that's okay.
All right. Diego, I hope you made some good money here tonight, Diego. Mikey Jacques, get in there. Okay? How can you do that to your younger brother and not forget to pick him up?
I mean, you should have met my younger brother.
That's him.
Brother. I know. I mean, when he was little, you would have left him there too.
All I know is I know a good guy when I see one. He's a good.
No,
He's a great guy. That's all I know.
Yeah.
All right. And look at this NASDAQ. Caboose 39 down to 12, 27 points. All right. All right. Wow. A little action here. Diego, get in there, Diego. Oh, yeah. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please look at them. Who said not to short them? Look at them. Down 30. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email, and you can be part of my Discord from 8:30 to 4 Monday through Friday. It's free for one whole week. If you like it, text me your full name and email to my cell phone. Okay. And I would. It's free for 1 week. All right, there we go. All right. How many do you trade off the 1 minute time frame? Okay, you should use combinations 1 minute, 3 minute, 5, 15s. Trade arch
Wait.
for 1 minute, very powerful.
Yeah, I think it's just
Uh,
when you actually have the room open, it shows up on this.
I get that.
I'll pull it up tomorrow. I was just. I never try to pull it up on my phone, but
all right.
I'm sure it's this.
Well, it's not here, it's not with the both.
All right, let's see here. Now I think you could probably look to short this gold up here. If it gets above the 67.5, 66.5, 67. Yeah, but in the Asia session, not during the New York. You can't. I can't trade the 1 minute during the U.S. session. I mean, come on. I mean, just rallied here 20 just now. Here. If the Nasdaq gets up above the 40, 45 to 80, 85 range, I think these 5 minute time frames are going to set up a nice bear flag. Nasdaq just went from 08, just ran 20, almost 30 here. Yeah, it's hard to trade the 1 minute during the U.S. session. I mean, first of all, people will get blown up, in my opinion. Okay, you literally would be trading almost every tick. Jesus, just dropped. Oh man, I just missed it. Just dropped 20. Lots of action tonight. I think so. I'm only doing it for the night session. Oh my God, Nasdaq. No, I canceled that short at 40. Wow, that was a good one. Oh my God, 40 down. Oh man, I told you the bear flag. Damn it. Damn it. Anybody get the short there? Missed it by 2. Damn it. Ryan, you get, oh, there's the bear flag on the gold. Gold just dropped 5. Wow. Wow. Ryan, you get that short? Oh, wow. NASDAQ just dropped.
Going down to 59.
Wow, look at it drop.
They're
NASDAQ,
all
38.
red. They're all red. Everything's
What? What's all red?
Everything's red.
No, it's not. What are you
30,
talking about?
15, 5, or all your stuff's red.
30?
I mean, your 10, 15.
I'm not
30,
looking at a 10-minute
yeah,
time
1 hour,
frame.
all red.
I'm okay.
The same.
NASDAQ just went from 38 down to 88, just dropped 50. Wow, what a damn, I missed it by 2. Hey, King of West, how are you? Probably 5 micros. If you have a $2,000. Wow. Oh my God. 38 to 78. Oh my.
Kaboom, the grass.
Kaboosh, not kaboom. Are you crazy? What you messing up that word? Oh my God, Tommy.
Oops, I'm going to the bathroom.
Oh, you forget it. You can't mess up that word, bro. That's a cabooshin. Where's the bear? Oh my God.
Oops.
Oh my God.
Like Rick Perry said, oops.
There you go, Brave Day. Damn. I knew it was a short. Who said they weren't a short up there? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
No.
I look to take a scalp long here. If they get down to the, I go 25 to, you probably go like 40 to 70. No, 25 to 65 range. You're going to get one more push up into these negative MACDs. Here they go. Gold just dropped. Oh, boy. You short the NASDAQ? Wow. The guy who bought 38 just now, he jumped right there. You wanted to go long, go for some of those, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Here we go. $66. Damn it. All right. Let's see if you get one more push up here. What a short. There you go. You could take a long here anywhere. Let's go 625 to 65. If you get one more push down. NASDAQ, gold just dropped $8, people. Gold just dropped here. Here we go. 65 is a big number. Here we go. Wow, what a drop. 38 down to 68, 63. What a drop. Let's see if we got one more push up here. Anybody short that gold on that bear flag into the negative MACDs? First bounce. That's beautiful on the gold. Why are you shorting gold when I'm long?
All right.
Top
I need some names or numbers. Like 282.
218, that's it?
282.
Oh, 282. NASDAQ, look to scale out between 70 and 85. Number 11, please, sir. Number 11.
All right. Number 11. Mona Yields. Mona Yields.
Mona Yields.
What's that for? Giveaway.
Here?
I don't see him yet. Oh, there they are. Next.
Number 91.
Ethan 5884.
Wow, Ethan. There you go. Oh, my God. Gold just dropped $9.
Oh, boom. Oh.
Ethan here?
Yep. Next.
Let's go 137. 137.
Martin Schutz. M3C. Martin Schutz. M3C. There he is. Back to you.
Okay, thank you. Martin, congratulations, Martin. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. Look to scale out along 70 to 85.90. You're going to get a bounce here on the gold. There goes the NASDAQ. Come on. Let's get one more little push up here. All right, right back down. Let's get up to here. 79. Just ran 17. Oh, wow. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Jesus. Wow, what a short up here on this. All right, still think you get one more push down. MACDs are non-confirming on the 30-minute time frames on the new lows right here. Good job, plot chickens. If you're long, raise your stops. You can scale out again, like I said, 70 up to 80, 85.
Kaboosh.
I'm going to rally here. I like this. I think they can get to 80, 85, 90. Here's 89, 79. Oh, boom. Right here. What did they just get up to here? 84. All right. I'm off this low. Oh, 20. Let me get quiet here now. All right, let's see if they get down, if the Nasdaq gets down to the 60 to the 20 to 60 level, I would take another long here. 28,020 to 28,060. Gold could bounce. Probably if gold bounces, it'd be probably, I would think 55. Maybe anywhere 49.5 to 56.5. There's a Nasdaq breaking 60. All right, if you bought 60s, just scale out at 70 or higher here on the Nasdaq. Again, see, I'm taking every new low.
Yeah.
Who cares? You're just printing money. Just ran 20. Schultze, you got it. Schultze, you got the account tonight. Good job. God bless you. All right, there's 20. There's 30. 30 on the Nasdaq. If it hits 82, all right, just got up to 72. There goes the gold. Nasdaq again, look to take a long here, 15 to 55. 15 to 55 here. I'll be just scalp longs here. There you go. Boom. Look at it. Yep, there you go. Boom, boom. It's a casino. Just ran 20. I just ran 15. SK, what do you look for on the close of the 1 hour? See if they get some deep oversold conditions. Let's see here. You can go 10 to 50 or 15 to 55. There goes the gold making new lows. Gold just dropped on that about 12. Let's see if you can get one more push up here on the Nasdaq. The fives are getting deeply oversold. I can't believe the NASDAQ when we came in here, 28,180. Boom. There you go. Selling 55, 60s or higher. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's a casino. There you go. So now what you do is you take the new low here and you buy them between the 28,000 to 28,045. But if you're still long, just trade them. Okay? All right? Ryan, you getting in there, Ryan? Look at this. Look at this. Again, you're making new lows, non-confirmation on the 30s. Let's see if you get one more push down here. Gold, if you bought the gold down there, look to scale out of any longs between 57 and 59. Oh, my God. NASDAQ just ran 20. Are you scalping longs? You get them?
Oh, yeah, I got
Yeah,
it.
I got some.
Correct money. Like a casino in here. Like a casino in here.
There they go. There you go. There goes the gold right back up on the gold. Oh, my God. NASDAQ up 30. 42 to 72. Longs here. You don't hear me calling longs, Craig? Come on. All right. 15s turn negative. So now you're in what kind of condition you in?
Let me look. Green. Oh, no, it turned red. No green. Green, red. Green, red, sir.
No, it's not. It's the NASDAQ is negative on the 15, positive on the 30, negative on the 60.
It just switched.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You got to be careful.
Red, yeah.
Again, even to 45 on the NASDAQ, if you're long, I would look to buy them. There you go. See if we get one more push here. All right, let's see if you get a push above 50, 50 up to 60, 65. All right, I'd love to see him. You need to, again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, all right, here we go. Oh, boy. All right. Even to 45. Let's see here. Gold just got kabooshed again. S&P's probably going to go to 28. If they get down to the, I would say S&P's 22 to 29, I'd buy them. I'd look to buy them. Micron 866. Wow. I said there was a short at 900 on the close. Let's see if we get one one little bounce here. Hello, Ruben from Argentina. How are you? Hello, Ruben from Argentina. All right, come on. You don't want to break 20. Let's see if we get a bounce here.
You're awesome.
Lower that,
You
please.
want that?
No, lower that, please. I'm streaming. You can't do that. Let's just scale out any longs here between the 30, let's see here, 35 and 50 range. We should get, let's see if we get one more push up. Avago 379. Oh my God, down 3. Where's AMD trading? If anybody can tell me.
What was the question? Sorry.
There you go. There, where's AMD trading post market?
I'll pull up Robinhood for that. Hold on.
No, my guys have it here.
Okay.
Then they'll tell me. I think gold's going to 3,800. Come on, see if we get one more big push up. I want to see a push up to 40.50 here. What a bear flag. So if he's, what a bear flag. So the 15s reversed to sell. So you want to look to short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. $481.99 down 13.
Yes,
Oh
sir.
boy!
That's correct, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow. Choo.
Say goodnight, Gracie.
Let's see if we get this bounce here.
Oh, wow. What the heck was that?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, stop orders. All right, if you got stopped on this, look to buy in between the 50 and 90 range. 50 and 90 range. 50 and where's the low here? Oh boy. Yeah, that was stop orders. They're gonna bounce here
Other
hard.
news?
No, it's stop orders. They're gonna rally right back up here. Damn it. I just ran 20 off that. And stop orders there. They're not going to hold below 28,000 for long. They got up to 28. That should have been it, but look to buy these 27,950 to 90. Look to take a scalp long here. Now the 15s had reversed. I still think with these 30-minute time frames, they're going to bounce. They could bounce 50, 60 points here on the NASDAQ. That was very fast short. See, now here's the thing. Okay, NASDAQ, who called 28? Good job, NASDAQ. I mean, S&Ps. That was a good one. Still think they're going to rally here. You're going to get the 5-minute time frames to push up to get short. They could run anywhere between 25 to 50 here. Is what I'm thinking on the NASDAQ. And remember when they were trading earlier, they said boom. Somebody said, why are you shorting them up there? All right, if they go to 55 to 95, I'd look to buy them. I still think you're going to get I don't want to miss this. I still think you're going to get a big push up here on the 5-minute time frame. here. These 5 should get oversold here. Yep. Still think they're going to rally. All right. S&Ps.
We lose this.
Okay. And then you got room. Let it go. I mean, I don't think they're going to stay below 28,000 long. Now, if the 30s reverse to sell here at 930, then every rally has got to be shorted. 5s, 15s, 30s. Yeah.
Bam.
What do you mean bet on the 15s?
Bam.
The 15s reverse to sell here on right. The 15s reverse to sell, so you want to look to short the first bounce on the 5-minute now, right? All right. See if you get a scale of longs between 80 and 80 and even 80 and 95 here. Well, when we walked in, the Nasdaq was trading 51.5, dropped 25. Let's see if we get. I still think the way the strategy is written. Here we go. The way the strategy is written, you want to get the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame to get overbought, and then look to short. Okay, just rally about 25 off the lows. How about SpaceX 110? SpaceX 110.
Had it today.
S&Ps get up to the 28 to 31. I kick out any longs. Nasdaq should get one more push up. Now, Nasdaq's got 2 major problems here. The 15s reverse to sell, okay, correlating with the 60, okay? And then you get the negative MACDs on the 5, so you want to short any rally on the 3 or the 5-minute time frame on any overbought condition. Okay? Nikkei down 4%, Kospi down 8.
I'm long from 96.
96? Right here?
Yeah.
You didn't when it traded down, I would have kicked them out. When it got down to 70, you didn't buy more?
I just was doing something else.
What?
I was doing something else.
Well, you can't do that. That's not trading. If you're going to take a position and it drops, you have to scale into the range. 55 to 95 was the range, right? So you can't buy it now up 25, 26 points, right? You should have scaled in, right?
Yeah, so
113 or 114 or whatever, right?
closing profit.
There you go. Yeah, but that's not good trading though.
Okay.
All right, Nasdaq just ran about 35. What was the low? 70 was the low here?
71.50.
No, the low was 69.
Oh, 70.
So the Nasdaq just ran 31 and 30, about 31, about 35. I would have kicked them out. I mean, but
So good.
All right. Again, the strategy is you want to short the first bounce on the overbought condition on the 5-minute time frame, let them drop, and then you want to short the next bounce on the 15. Okay. If the 30s reverse to sell,
Okay.
okay. Now the S&P futures are negative right now on the 15, which just reversed to sell, and the 30 and the 60. So now the S&Ps are in a complete negative trend in this session.
Okay, I did read that right. All right.
Okay, good job. All right. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email, and I will send it to you to 914-500-7484. Also, I do have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please watch it. It's free on my SK Trading YouTube. All right. Here we go. Right back up. Oh my goodness gracious. I hope you kicked him out.
Talking to me?
Yeah.
I'm flat.
Okay. So the
I
answer
have
is
one micro size. Yeah, $40. Yes, the answer is yes.
gold making new lows here. All finished. Just go to 3,800 already, please. Just go to 3,800, please.
You target 4050 of that.
Was that?
4050 is my
No.
target.
It's going to go lower.
But I'll show you
40-50 cents?
No, I think gold's going lower, I said.
yeah.
Again, you want to get this 5-minute time frame to get overbought. 80Xs are rising, so you want to get the 3-minute time frame. When the 80Xs are rising like this on the 5, you want to short the 3-minute first bounce. Okay? You want to short the 3-minute first bounce. Okay? How do you enter the giveaways? Aaron posts a link and you sign up, but it's short-lived.
Oh, okay. That's it.
You didn't enter?
I didn't know how to do it. I was asking, but you don't think you could hear me. So
I did. I said sign up now. I said to him, sign up now. Aaron
Yeah.
posted the link.
I
You go to MyFundedFutures
Oh.
TV.
look at gold. Bye-bye.
Yeah, goal's finished.
Oh, my futures. Noted.
There goes the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ go. There goes the S&Ps go. Now you want to wait here. NASDAQ gets up to the 25 to 30 range. I don't even know if that's going to happen. Where's the 3 minute? NASDAQ 25 to 30. You go 25 to 30 range up to the 55, 65 range. I don't even know if you're going to get it. You can go to, you can go here. You can do
Take a long.
short. Why am I calling them long? I'm calling shorts. 25 up to 30, up to 20 up to 60, or 25 up to 65. Oh boy, they just got killed. 20 points. Can't even speak that. That was my fault. It just dropped 25 like nothing. The S&Ps just dropped 3. Damn it. See the 3 minute bear flag. Oh my God. NASDAQ just dropped 30. Wow. Damn it. That's the bear flag off the 3 minute. When you have ADXs rising like this on the 5 and the 15 minute time frame, the first bounce is the 3 minute time frame, right? Okay. South Korea is down 10%. Love it. I can't believe I was just going back. I just short them. So again, you want to short the first bounce on the 3 minute time frame when you have the ADXs are rising here. You see the ADX is rising here. So you want to short the bear flag on the 3 minute. So here's the 3 minute. Let's see. I think it got up to what? 21, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. See the bear flag? Oh, geez, forget it. They're going to get killed. NASDAQ, 32 up to 38, 39. Gold making new lows. Oh, they're finished. Forget it. Kospi halted. Yep. Remember, my methodology is not off of a 3 or a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so my methodology is off of 15, 30, and 60. So you say the 10 minute time frame, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just being, you know what I'm saying? So it's 3 time frames, 15, 30, and 60 is what the conditions are based. When you say red, 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 green, and you're going 1 minute, 3 minute, that's not part of the. That's not part of the.
15's green.
15's green where?
MQ.
It is green. It's negative.
My screen on my screen.
I don't know what you're looking at. NASDAQ, first of all, it's not green. It's orange. There's no green. It's either cayenne or orange, Tom, right? So where do you see in 15 minute time frame it's green?
I can't see that shit. Jesus.
Well, I'm just asking you. This is
My candle is green. So
and what candle? I'm talking indicator 4 is orange. Where do you see green? Right? Where do you see? 15 just reversed the sell.
Yeah.
It correlated with the 60.
Yeah.
Now at 9:30, I have to see if the 30 minute reverses the sell right here. If that reverses, you go into a full-blown negative trend. Then you short the first bounce on the 5, and then sometime tonight, by between 10:30 and 11:30 or 12, the 15s are going to sell for a monster short. The market's not going up when the Kospi is down 10%, right? The market's not doing that. Silver's getting slaughtered. Okay. So I'm just trying to teach you when you say green,
Sure.
I got to correct these ASAP, right? So I'm just trying to let you understand that it's you can write this down if you want, okay?
I'm seeing it.
If you could write this down if you want.
Sure.
This is number 1. I look at here. This is my first thing I look at, the condition, right? NASDAQ, you can short 25 to 30 up to 65, 70. S&Ps, you can start shorting here on the bear flag here, 33 up to 40. So ready? Indicator 4 is my number 1.
All right.
Indicator 1 is my number 2. Indicator 3 is number 3. Indicator 2 is my number 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I look. That's how I read the market. Okay, that's how I read the market. So basically, the way I look at the market, okay, all right, is always my indicator 4, so I understand the condition that we're in. Okay. All right.
All right, give me 2 more numbers.
2.
Yeah.
200 and 215.
215.
No, 215.
That's what I said.
Okay.
SK Futures.
There you go. Get in there.
Whose name is SK Futures?
Oh my God. How can they rally like this? Nasdaq just ran 100 off the low. This has got to be a short here.
Oh, there he is.
I think they're going to drop.
Next.
So 61.
Brian Tang.
Brian Tang. I'd still be shorting him here.
Oh, there he is. Back to you.
Thank you. See if they could drop between the 30 and 50 range here. Look at him. Nasdaq 32 to 35. If the S&P is 33 to 35, 36. Let's see if we get up. These 5s and 3s should roll over here. I don't trust the push up either. Not with the Kospi down 10%. Here. And if you got this low here, just ran about 100 off the lows. So did who was the second one, Aaron? Sorry. Aaron. Gold making new lows here. Oh, got it. Pootie Tang, got it. Let's see if we get 30 to 50 here with the cover shorts in this range. 33 to 36. And the 5s should start rolling over. What a shame this gold. Why? All right. Cover the S&Ps here, 33.37. Let's see if the NASDAQ 30 to 50 range. See if this thing can drop. I see a nice pencil down here. We called 8 so far. I don't know if with Korea struggling like this. So the 15s, this is the first. Let's see if the 5s can really start kicking in gear to the downside. I'd like to see one more big push down here. $52. I still think these 5s are going to get killed. Oh, 9:30 already? Hmm. All right, you got to break 50. Let's go. Break 50. Break 50. I think they're going to get cabooshed on these 5 minutes. These 5 should start rolling over here. Should have waited for the more into the 10 bar, but come on. This is garbage. This NASDAQ is so fugazi. I told you that it was going to be very short-lived below 28,000. I told you that, right? Very short-lived down here. I want to see if the 3 and the 5. So the 3-minute reverse to buy here. So any push down should make a higher low. See the buy here? So with the 15s turning up. So any push down should make a higher low. Might have to take a scalp long if it gets down there. See if it can get down to the 15 to 25 range, maybe. We'll see. It's got to break 50 first. Probably have enough time for it, though. Gold's making new lows here. Silver's getting killed. NASDAQ and S&P's out of nowhere just rallied. I told you they were going to be short-lived down there. 44 is printing. I hope so. Yeah.
Oh,
Nope.
bye-bye.
All right. If you got stock, I short them again here. 90 up to 28,000. 90 up to 28. I go 90, 95 here to 125, 130. I would short them here. Off the 15s, this is a monster bear flag here. I think they're going to drop hard now. You think the lows are in for the night? Could. They're longing this? I would be shorting this. I tried it. It wouldn't break that 50. 52. Look at this. Now it drops here. It just dropped 20. I would just lower your stops here. I think these 5s and the 3s are going to roll over here. Just dropped 25. S&Ps are going to drop here. These 5-minute time frames are no joke when they start rolling over. Now they're going to drop. Just dropped 27. Good job, Ghost Trader. I think the 5s are going to roll over. I knew they weren't going to hold. I knew they rallied 100 below. It was one short right here.
So, Steven, on the 3 minute on the NQ right here, this right here.
Yeah, I'm right there. I got it up.
Down here is a 4 right here.
4 is bullish, so any push down, I'm going to look
Come down to 4. I'll do the bottom.
right here.
Yeah, so tell me about that real quick.
So you're in a negative trend. It's a buy divergence in a negative trend. So I'm looking for a pullback on the 3 minute to take a long. And then when these 15s get overbought, I think they're going right back down, probably below 28,200. So I'm looking for a pullback. Okay. There you go, catnip. Invisible leg, text me 914-500-7484. All right. I told you that 50 number was a big number here. They got down to 52. Damn it. Now I really think they're going to drop. They just dropped 30 here. I don't know. Today was the first day with the single stock futures, right? I haven't really been following it. I don't know how to get the bid and offer. Okay. Now they can drop. Look at this. What a fugazi. I still think these 5 minute time frames are going to push down here. NASDAQ just dropped about 35. It's going to get killed. These 5s are going to drop. Here it is. Here's 40. Investor leg, I hope you re-shorted. You think Meta's going to beat? You're long at 62. I think you got to wait. I think they can get down to 45. Here we go. There you go. There you go. There you go. That should have made up for that stop. They're going to get killed. I told you 25 is where I think they're going to go. Thank you. If they get down, let me see the 3 minute. These 5s, 3s. If they get down to the even to 35, I would probably take a long off the 3 and the 5 minute time frame, a scalp long. Short. Okay, I would lower your stops. All right. Go home and see my Henny. Yeah, so the green and 5 both turn blue. So you want to wait for an oversold condition. It's a buy divergence in a negative trend. Okay. So what you want to do is get the push down, take the long, let it push up, and then look for the short, the 15s to get overbought on the 15, on the 3 negative MACDs, and the 15-minute time frames are going to kaboosh them. The The single stock futures. I have it. Anybody see the bid and offer on that? You're looking for 27,969. I am too, but I think you got to push down first, a rally, and then the short, and then the drop. All right. I don't know what they just got down to 45. That might have been at 46. I still think you're going to get one more push up. Hey, Jungle Jamboree, how are you? Just look at them go up. Revenge trading is tough. You should not do it, period. Oh, there they go. Damn it. I thought you're going to get one more push up. Just ran 20. I was thinking 35. All right, let's see. I'm still thinking you're going to get 35. You got to be patient.
All right, give me 3 more numbers.
Okay. Let's do number 45.
Trade with a Lobo.
Uh-huh.
Oh, trade with the Lobo.
Here, next.
Number number 188.
Oh, Adam Daz.
Adam Daz, get in there. Adam Daz. Adam Daz, get in there.
All right, next.
And we're going to do a high one here. We're going to go 233.
Man, this guy is next level. The estimated profit.
Oh, my God. Jeffrey, again?
God.
That's like 4 weeks in a row.
This guy doesn't
That's it.
lose.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Well, congratulations, everybody. Damn. Whew.
All right, back to you. Y'all better not leave. I might choose somebody. You just better stay till the end.
Wow. I short them again up here. 90. You can go 90 up to 20 on the NASDAQ, or 95 up to 25. Yeah, they're going to drop here. So you're going to get one more push up. Boop, boom, there it goes. There's a drop. Come on, Nasdaq, you can do it. You could drop. Look at these 15s. It's a monster bear flag setting up here. Monster bear flags. S&P's 40 go 42 3/4, 43 to 48. All right. Wow, estimated profit. That's 3. Good 4. I think he won like 4 weeks in a row.
That's awesome.
So that S&P's just ran about 5 on that push down, got down to 46 to 90. So they ran about 44 points there. I knew you were going to get one more push up. I was thinking 35 here. If you're short, just look to cover anywhere between the 70 and 85 range. I still think they're going to get killed. So the push down is just going to push the 15s up more. So I was looking for the pullback here, and then the push up to set the 15s up. You see the yellow dots are. This is a pretty damn good bear flag here. Bear Trader doesn't win. I haven't called Bear Trader's name. Adam, congratulations. Rick Francis, what's going on? Gold's going to get killed. Gold. All right, you're short here. Lower your stops. S&Ps, I look to cover between 38 and 41. Yeah, is anybody win the Mega Millions? Is it tonight? I got to play the lottery.
No, it's big, like 800 something.
Yeah.
Tonight?
Yeah, I don't know what night it is, but it's Tuesday. What, Monday? No, Monday's Powerball.
Today's not Powerball.
Today's Monday.
How much is Powerball?
600.
A Mega Millions 800?
Yeah.
I got to play.
Okay. You got like
Yeah, 633 million.
Wow. Buy NASDAQ down 30.
There you go.
There you go, Diego.
There you go.
Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. There's 40 on the NASDAQ. S&P's down 4. There you go. Wow, NASDAQ down 5. S&P's down 5. NASDAQ's down 40. There you go. Get in there, Bushido Trades.
Damn. Missed that one.
I was in Vegas over the weekend, and it was 117 degrees. I loved it. Oh my God, it was great. I was walking to the Fountain Blue, the warm wind on my face. Oh my God, it was beautiful. When these 15s roll over, you're going to be seeing some good profits here. NASDAQ hits 45, it'd be down 50. Bye-bye. See, I told you, you get the pullback on the 3. You get one more push up to set up the short on the 15. That's a monster bear flag on the 15-minute time frame. S&P's down 6. Diego, get in there, right? But I think it goes to 25. Could, yeah. I mean, yeah. You may get. Once these 15s start rolling over, it doesn't make a difference, Diego. You got the ADXs rising on the 15s. Here you go. 60 on the NASDAQ. Well, basically what I'm saying is that low of 26 might hold for a while. Okay. Oh my God, look at this drop. I would start covering some shorts here. Actually cold. Okay, Arun Treddy, whatever. Rick Francis, get in there. I think did it just hit 25, 26. Good enough for me. Down 70. That's good. That's down 70. There you go. Down 70, David. Here. There you go. Down 70. Here. There's your 25. Boom. Okay. S&Ps are down 9. NASDAQ, 70. Let's go, Miss K. Get in there. I would be covering some here. Fountain Blue location. Oh, it's beautiful. It's on the strip. And then they're building the Hard Rock. Cha-ching. There you go. Plus 50. Whoa! Where's the bear?
My target's 32.50.
Don't take longs.
No. That's my target on the short.
32.50.
Yeah. 432.50.
What are you talking about? S&Ps?
Yeah.
I would start covering some. You get the 5s of positive MACDs here. Okay. I taught you today, you were long.
Yeah.
I said sell some at 36, raise the stop to 32, and they got pushed down to 22.
That
right?
was good.
Okay, I would start covering some here. You're going to get another push up here. On the NASDAQ, if you want to take a scalp long only, you can go 90 to 20, and the S&Ps, you can take a scalp long here, 26 to 34. Scalp only, okay? I still think you may get one more push up. I'm not saying it's going back up to 90. Look at the 5-minute candle. Are you crazy? John Richardson, I don't look at candles. If NASDAQ hits 15, you'll be down 80 off the highs.
See the dump right there. Little things moving.
You're talking to Fountain Blue in Vegas? I didn't know you could do that there. I thought it was a hotel. I didn't like the layout. The minute you walk in, you're hitting casinos. Where I stayed at Resorts World, the Conrad, it was beautiful. You know, beautiful. You walk into a beautiful lobby, beautiful bars, and then beautiful. It was absolutely stunning. And then you walk in down the hallway. Then you have all the casinos, you know, the slots, this, that, whatever. Oh, Miami. Oh, I don't know. The Fountain Blue there, that's different. Yeah, I think they do rent them out there. All right.
There you go. Bing.
Bing what? They're getting killed.
Bang, boom, bop.
Yeah. NASDAQ, skill out any longs here, 20 up to 30 if they push up.
I just had a long trigger on SP.
So you went long?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. You're going to get one more push up here. That was beautiful. Kospi's just thumping. right, 3 minutes to go. I want to thank everybody for being here tonight. I don't know if Aaron has any more surprises here or not. We go to 26,000 next one. I think 26.5. I think if you go from 23,000 to 31,000, that's 8,000 points. Half of that, 27. They overdo it. 26.3, 25, 26.5, 25. Either way, you got to buy them. Because they're gonna goose them in the fourth quarter here. All right, and and that's that. All right. There you go, right back up. Ba-da-ba-bum, bum, 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 ba-da-ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-da-ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. MD, have a good night, MD. John Richardson. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Again, thank you all for being here. Okay. I want to thank Matt, Aaron. I want to thank all the people for Schultze. Good job. I want to thank all of you. Thank Aaron, of course. And I want to thank all of you for being here. So please, again, we'll be back tomorrow night, 8 to 10. Again, I hope you learned a lot here. Now S&Ps, if you're long, just kick these out at 34. NASDAQ, 20 up to 30, 35 range. You're going to get one more push up. All right. 10 o'clock, everybody. Again, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Have a wonderful night. And God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.